We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Plowing fields, 做田 was completed in 1954, and the focus is mainly on the life of a farmer. The story starts off by describing the environment, giving a strong description of the farmer's workday. 钟理和 describes the details of farmer's work, from plowing to planting crops and picking weeds. While plowing, the farmer hits obstacles so large they stop the plowboy's progress. The story tells how the problem was solved. Due to the summer weather, the temperature starts to rise, but the wind carries all the heat away. This allows the women to work and also sing, having fun. The farmer works hard in order to make a living, and the entire field is a mix of sounds and smells all together on one canvas. Hello everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Today we're going to talk about something that's unpleasant, something that exists in our everyday world, but we still have to deal with them. Bugs and insects. 今天要讨论的东西啊，我想说营造比较恐怖的气氛好了。你知道家里常常啊，当然尽量不要有啦，可是常常会看到一些昆虫啊、虫类啊、老鼠啊。那因为有听众在问啦，因为他说这个比较实际啊，因为他看到老鼠、看到蟑螂，他要叫啊老鼠啊啊蟑螂啊这样子，所以我们来教教老鼠、蟑螂、蚂蚁、苍蝇。因为上次有教过蚊子了嘛，对不对？
OK， 好，老鼠。
老处好像什么老处女，老处，什么东西啊？老处还是卤什么东西？老处哦，老鼠。哦 ，that's rats. Okay， 老处老鼠。How about cockroaches？
蛆叉嘞。
Oh, I hate that. 蛆叉嘞。
非常係講黃叉嘞。
哦，兩種說法是黃叉嘞。
兩種嘅講法。
我雞皮疙瘩怎麼辦啊？我最討厭就是蟑螂。Okay， so 黃叉嘞。或 蛆叉嘞，蛆叉嘞 ，that's cockroach. Two ways of saying it. Ants, they're not too bad, but they're around.
蟻拱，
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 蟻
要從鼻子蟻拱。Okay, this is ants, which sounds like 什麼公公，可是不是。最後蒼蠅會 fly around flies.
烏蠅。
無影中，無影腳，感覺好像那個黃飛鴻無影腳出來了，就像蒼蠅一樣。無影，真的會記得這樣無影就是蒼蠅 flies. Okay, so there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
怎麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.